What is up there? It's my name is Lucky Dude. Welcome back to another video. Today, you know what? I just got produced. Be right back, people. Alright, sorry people, I'm back. Alright, so anyways, in my last video, I opened up some tsums. I'm gonna be opening up more. Tsum pack number 1. Tsum pack number 2. Tsum pack number 3. Let me adjust that camera for a minute. And tsum pack number 4. Get that adjusted. Okay, so put them on. Okay, I'm going to put them all back. I'm going to randomize them. And pick an on. It's a Disney. Okay, Zoom. It comes on. Open it up. Mickey, Miss Bunny, and Lago. Oh, it's been a long time since I've had these. I forgot how to open them. I'm going to end up breaking it soon. Oh, by the way, I'm just gonna give a shout out to my girlfriend Ava. Thank you for all my support. I love you, Ava. Oh, and shout out, congratulations to Andrew and Kirsten. They're dating now because of me. I mean it. I'd never break up with Ava. She's my destiny. Okay, so we have a large Lago. Set him over here. There's nothing real I can do with him right now. Pick at his tail, but that's weird. Okay, we got a medium Miss Bunny. My name is Miss Bunny. Sorry. Wait. What? So we have a small Mickey Mouse. Sorry. No more messing around. Alright. Oh, enough. Set the packs on the floor. Moving on to pack number 2. Open up all the Disney ones first. Yeah. Okay. We got it. We got translucent wings. Nice. Dead ass. Forgive me. We have a large Tinkerbell. Medium Tigger. There's the Tigger. Nigger. And what the heck are you? Are you like a... Oh, there goes the instructions. And there's small Susie. Oh, crap. Okay, I'm setting this over here, because I already have it. I can still put it just in case I lose one. You don't know. I could get mad. I could rip that. May not be good, but then I'd have these back up. Pack number 3, my favorite, and Stitch. Stitch. I can do the voice. Stitch. What the? Here's our medium stitch. Baymax. I got a Baymax, guys. A Baymax small. What the freak is your name? Oh my god. Snow White. What the freak? Throw their pack on the floors. Last pack, Marvel. Yo. All this is about is trying to open up a stupid pack of Tsums, but she's refusing to open. You see, so sorry. I can't believe I'm about to do this. Okay, but this might actually break the Tsums. There we go. Okay, we have them open. We have a small gray Hulk. Medium Vision. Good. And last but not least, a large Iron Man. Peace! And I'll see you guys in the next video. Or will I? Next time I'll probably review my Beanie Boos. Bye.